This is what I call a part over whole question. Basically, whenever we have pieces of a circle, circle sectors, we're going to use fractions to represent that. So the part over the entire amount. And so there's lots of different things we can compare with a circle. So the first thing that we should notice is that they want x. X is an angle. So whatever that angle is, it is part of the whole number of angles in a circle, which is always 360. So angles factor into this solution a lot because we always know the whole number. It's a constant. We're always or often going to set that equal to another way of representing this fraction of the circle. And this time they're talking about area, so that's what's going to happen. So they do just give us the area of the shaded region is 27 pi. Now we always can figure out the whole area if we have the radius because we are given the formula at the beginning of the section. The area of a circle is pi r squared. To be honest, you should memorize that, but they do give it to you just in case. So we have the radius, it's 9, so we can calculate the area as pi times 9 squared, which would be 81 pi. So it's the area of the entire circle, and so that's going to go on the bottom of my fraction. And now I have a proportion that I can solve by cross multiplying. So I do have the ability to use a calculator, but there are things I would avoid with this calculator. First and foremost, don't use pi. We can cross those out. They're going to go away. And even if we didn't have one to cross out, usually pi is going to stay as a symbol in our answer choices. Then 27 and 81, I could reduce that. 9 goes into 27 3 times. 9 goes into 81 9 times, and so I can even reduce that further. Basically, we're dealing with 1/3 of the circle. 1/3 of 360 is 120, and that is the answer. So a lot of these questions are going to look very similar at the start. You will have a circle with a little slice of it. Basically, write part over whole on your page, see what you can fill in. Almost always, you're going to use this exact same method, even if they're talking about radians, degrees, circumference, area, it's all the same. A fraction of a circle is going to always be the same no matter what.